Hi everyone! Today you're going to be working on finishing your essay. So this means completing the last two paragraphs, your third body paragraph and your conclusion, in the same way that we did on Tuesday. So what you'll be doing today is you will be using the information that you gathered, the research that you did regarding the empire that you chose. You took notes in your research from back here and you made an outline. Remember that your outline was filled with all the little details that you needed. Just like on Tuesday, you turned your body paragraph 1 and 2, those bullet points, you created an essay, you created a paragraph from those. You'll be doing the same thing today, but with body paragraph 3 and your conclusion. So in your third body paragraph today, you're going to be taking the notes that you did in your outline, the notes you took that were from your research that you put into your outline, your bullet pointed notes. You're going to take those and you are going to create your third body paragraph and your conclusion. In your third body paragraph, you're going to describe the impact that your empire had on society and culture. So you found one example, a few examples, I think it was at least 1 or 2 examples on how the empire you chose had an impact on society and culture. So you need to bring up those ideas by having an opening sentence to this paragraph that explains, building off of the paragraph before it. So, and building off the ideas that came before it, maybe the greatness of the empire, how strong it was, and then so you're going to have an intro that takes us from explaining how strong and how powerful the empire was in those earlier paragraphs, now to saying, and this is the effect that it had. So you'll create some sort of introduction sentence, and then you'll give and explain the impacts that your empire had through the examples that you found. Once you finish that, you're going to write your conclusion. In your conclusion, you will link together all these ideas that you brought up. That means you'll restate some of the main points again. This means you'll say, the empire I chose, so in my case it was the Ottoman Empire. If we look back at my example, I restated what their motivation was, right? I gave an example of a couple of or just named the empire characteristics, the characteristics of empire that my empire used. And then I said I restated the impact that they had, but more simply, okay? So you just need to restate the ideas of your essay more simply as kind of a big wrap up, right? You want to bring all the ideas together and wrap them up, okay? And that is your conclusion. So, and then at the end, of course, you're going to need your works cited, your MLA. Today, how you will record that is in our assignment for today. Down here at the bottom, there's this document here. You open that, and just like last time, you're going to type your body paragraph here and your conclusion here. Write in essay form the ideas that you gathered in your research and put together in your outline to create the final 2 paragraphs. Then you're going to put in your works cited page here. So just copy over all of the citations, all of the sources that you used, put the citations for them here, put them in alphabetical order, and then you will turn this in today. Today and before class tomorrow, I'll give you feedback on this that you submitted, because tomorrow is our final day to work on. Friday is our final day to work on and submit your summative. So that means you're finishing your essay today. I'll give you some little bit more feedback, and then you'll have time tomorrow in class to apply my edits, my comments, and apply the feedback that you get to strengthen your work. So you'll turn this in today and turn it in as soon as possible today so that I can give you feedback as soon as possible. Tomorrow, there's going to be a Google Meet during our class time. I'm going to start it a little bit earlier because I want to be able to meet with all of you. But the attendance to the meeting is not mandatory. It's only to answer questions if you need help. So I'm going to be online on Google Meet between 10:15 and 11:10. If you have a question or you want to talk to me about something or you need my help with something regarding the summative or the feedback I gave you, you can sign up with a time slot to meet with me. They're going to be 5-minute time slots. You can use this sheet here, and you'll sign up with it to put your name next to one of these time slots. They'll only be 5 minutes, and this is so I can meet as many of you as possible. I know not all of you are going to need to sign up, but those of you who need to sign up, who have questions, sign up today so that I can meet with you at that time tomorrow. Please don't take anybody else's slot, and be honest with the slots that you choose. So if you sign up for the times to meet tomorrow, if you can sign up for the time to meet tomorrow if you need to meet, if you have questions, but you do not have to sign up. You do not have to meet with me tomorrow. It's only if you have questions regarding the summative. Remember, our summative is due tomorrow on ManageBack. It'll be due at 10 p.m. tomorrow evening. Tomorrow you'll be editing everything together and submit it on ManageBack. So that means you'll take all of your essay, and I'll explain this to you tomorrow, but you'll take all of your essay and you'll put it together and you'll submit it tomorrow. So we're finishing it up today. You'll be able to edit it tomorrow and submit it tomorrow. Good luck. If you have any questions, let me know. And email me if the time slot fills up and you still wanted to meet with me, and we'll set up some other time, okay? Have a good rest of your day, and good luck. Talk to you soon. Bye.